Hey, what are you doing sticking your head in the feeder? We're not ready for that yet. Come here. We were just talking and playing, and I get the camera out and sticks her head in the feeder. You silly wet butt. Silly wet butt. She even come a little closer, and I got a good scratch on her head. Then she backed up and gave me a dirty look. I don't know. You seem to have that way with women. Huh. And she's always close. Just never comes up. Who are you over there? Hey, you. Yeah, she's usually pretty. Oh, you want to be the ham? All right, Pest. Be the ham. Yeah. Yeah, that's my hand. It's fine if she comes up and touches me. Oh, and it's not white. Didn't expect it to be. Our cold point was probably about 6 or 6:30 last night. Got down to 34 degrees, and I'm thinking, oh, I'm going to go shut water off before I go to bed. Oh no, it was 37 degrees when I went to bed. And it's 35 degrees this morning. So that's what I know. And not that I remember what the rain gauge said yesterday morning, but I think we got a ½ inch of rain, 1/2 to 3/4. Driveway's a little soft this morning, so that would indicate at least a ½ inch. And by a little soft, what I mean is when I walk across it, where it's not plain rock on top, I leave boot prints, and I can feel that it's not solid. Truck traffic will leave 3/4 inch or 1.5 inches deep tire marks. So anyway, get my feeding done. Go from there. Maybe, I don't know if the kids are going to be here today or not. I didn't get them on video yesterday, apparently, because they weren't here long enough. Don't know if Brooke dropped them off with Ty this morning, or if she'll be dropping them off here in the next half hour or so. But we'll find out. Because if they show up, I'm going to get them on video. Seems I have to evict 3 calves. Only counted 2 over there, so I knew there was 3 out here, and all they did was stand here and beller at me till I walked in and informed them that I was evicting them, or they were going to get locked in here all day and would never see their mothers again. No zoomies? Yeah, we're not going to zoom. Some cows took a dump right where I walk. Right on the one solid spot. Hey, everybody wants to see you guys do some zoomies. Yeah, you, go do some zoomies. Oh my gosh. I swear the calves this year, they're just... He's a stout little bugger though. I didn't catch his number, but he is a stout little bugger. On, yeah, there are 2 friends over there. Zoom, zoom. That's, excuse me, that's where they were when I fed. And yeah, you can hear the water still running. Why? Because it didn't snow. Hey YouTube, don't gripe, it's a YouTube channel we're watching. Blakely wanted to watch Cars. So, I think it's in Montreal.
Yeah, it is.
They showed
I know, but look, it's your size, Blake.
half a dozen articulated loaders smaller than that one with snow plows getting it all off the sidewalk and out into the street. And then a big one came through and made a bigger windrow in the street and made a spot for a truck to drive next to a blower. And I just missed filling the truck up for you. But now we'll show you. Huh. There she is. You say good morning?
Good morning. Oh, you were talking. You say hi?
Well, I got somebody that wants to say
Oh,
something.
she's waiting.
Look. There. Somebody really wanted to say hi. Blakely waved while I was fishing.
See, these are Canadian. All he said was He's 8
He's supposed to be sitting here beside me, but then he chose to lay down
and roll over.
and roll over. And yes, my hands are up around him so he doesn't fall on the floor. Okay, kid. Come back over here so I can set the camera off. Yep, we got a helper in here again.
It's heavy, huh?
She recruited TT to help her get what's behind the sprocket. And no, you don't hear a radio in the background. Got that notched. I used the Sawzall. Can you tell I put a mark up there? I should have cut the blade off. And something I noticed this morning after setting in here overnight, we got a few cracks. I know I got that one a little snug and that one a little snug, but all of them have micro cracks around them and I didn't get any of them that snug, so. And none of them were as tight as the old ones. And look it, cleaned up. Almost good enough to let the pups in here. They won't be eating everything in sight. There it is. I ran a flange nut up backwards and just finger tight to the other nut. That's what it needed. I couldn't figure out what it was hitting. The little fans on the back were hitting the plexiglass. So bolts are just the right length. My locks are all the way on. And I don't know if I can put a brace piece on. It's going to be pretty tight getting up on the backside. Now I got to wire it. And yes, I still got to get a ground hooked up to it because, yeah, I boogered that up. But it just means I sneak a wire like I did. Where is it? Oh, no, I can't get to it. Like I did that one there. Sneak one down here and get on one of these bolts, make a ground. Took a little break and went in the house. Poor Blakely. She admitted to pee-pee in her diaper. And then she poo-pooed her diaper. And unfortunately, her bottom is not feeling well. So she's in the house. Thailand's laying there with her. And the stuff I do to myself. I got that one hooked up. That one runs these fans. Yes, I'm wearing gloves today, working with wiring. And this is the other half of those fans, which goes to ground. And I have to remember that this red one, here, I'll show you what I'm looking at, goes to ground also. This one goes to power. And then these two are as they are. These are this unit. And I got my ground wire in clear down here, so it's stubs out. That was fun. It didn't want to go through. It went through that hole okay, but then it decided it was going to wad itself up in here, and took it back out twice and finally got it showing here, so it's run with that green one all the way down. And I got that wire out of the holders and just put the nylock back on that one. Almost forgot I needed that holder for that one. And the other holder will probably go on this one or this one for this wire. I want it so it lays there, so if something happens and the door gets winged open, it don't tear the wire off. But my hands don't fit up there very well. I've been in and out of here way too many times. I tested my ground, make sure my fans were working. Had to actually strip them back because, of course, you know, the wires were shrunk back a little bit underneath the insulation. So I couldn't butt them together and make it work. It would be better if it was tipped this way a little more. Don't feel the breeze quite as much as I had hoped, but if it's throwing a little coolness toward, it should be good enough, I hope. If not, well, wiring's already up here for something else, I guess. And brought this up to here. It's looped up. It's through there and drop back down. Well, fold this up in there. But that lets that wire move without pulling on that. I need to finish my ground. It's just sticking on there. I gotta put the nut on it and tighten that up, and then the ground is done, which will do the wiper and all of that. So hey, that much works. I'm gonna go find something to eat. Ty just sent me a text, said she's got stuff coming out of the oven, so I better go see what it is. Look at that, she did this side today. You're supposed to be putting this stuff in the bucket. And oh yeah, look who's here.
Hi.
Long time no see.
Yeah, no kidding.
He hadn't even seen this beast here yet, so he walks in and he says, holy shit, that's a lot bigger than the other one. So, anyway,
About that.
I don't know if I'm going to get any work out of Nick, but we're probably just going to BS a bit. I should be standing on a stool trying to get those wires hooked up, at least get that done. And unfortunately, oh, that's what it was. I still got to do something with those lines. I knew there was something else I was thinking about while it was in here. I just couldn't remember what. Wires are all watered up there. Everything works. Only thing I haven't done in there yet is actually the top switch is in good. It's just the bottom one. And I see the whole thing's popped out again. Where are we? Where are we? Boom. There we are. So I'm just going to take a tiny screw, put it at each end to hold it in. And Nick supervised.
Yeah,
Made sure I got it all done right.
looks good.
Everything's strapped in down here. Oh, I forgot. Dang it. I was going to fold that up and put it with the other zip tie up there. Oh, well, here. You didn't see that. We'll tuck it behind that one, maybe. Maybe it'll stay there. So I forgot. Big deal. It's my machine. Don't worry about it. So that part's done. I found the stuff I want to cover that with, so I'll go upstairs and grab that in the morning and hopefully get it in better shape than it is. Probably almost be worth cutting this off, but I'm not going to. Well, we'll cut the fringes off so it doesn't make a thick spot. Wrap that with stuff, and then it'll be out of here. And yes, they're arguing. Nothing new. Hey, boys. Excuse me. Yeah, you're on camera. Yeah, we don't care, Dad.
Where you going?
Warm your hands up.
Are you gonna grab more snow on your way out and do a snowball fight with us? Is that what we're doing? Who are you gonna get, Nampa or TT? Who are you gonna get? Are you gonna get Nampa again? Huh? There you go, grab that. Not that stuff. It's got owies in it. Come on.